Now you can remove background objects like this. Now you can customize your icon size and also the color and look and feel. Hello viewers, yesterday I received two updates. The first is iPadOS 17.7 and the second is iOS 18. If you don't want to update to iOS 18, you can update iOS 17.7. This is not a new update, it is actually a bug fixes of the security. But I have updated it and then I updated my tablet to iOS 18, and in this video I will talk about the features and what are the changes that I am getting after updating to the latest version. Before updating to iOS 18, I have to delete some stuffs from my image or from my photos app because the memory has filled up. So actually it needs at least 8 GB of internal storage to download this update. So you can see here that I have already released or I have already cleared up some storage. Let me show you that 41 GB is occupied, and you can see that iPadOS 17.7 actually occupied 10.38 GB and system data is 4.26 GB. So without further ado, let's jump into the iOS 18 update. Before updating to iOS 18, you have to grant the permission. You have to click on agree, only then you can update to the latest version, and it will take some time because the file size is above 6.4 GB. If you want to install this iPadOS 18 on your iPad, you must have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Finally, the update is complete. You can see that I have updated to the iPadOS 18. Let me show you by going into the settings. As you can see here, you can see that the look and feel of iPadOS 18 is little bit different. Now I will go into the OS version. You can see that iPadOS 18 is running on, and now I will check if any update is available here or not. As you can see here, no update is available. Now I will go into the storage. You can see that 41 GB is available and iPadOS 10.47 GB and system data is 5.35 GB. Now this is a hidden apps folder. You can now hide apps. I will show it later in this video. So you can see that the look and feel has been changed altogether. It is giving a fresh look. Now if you go into the settings more, you can see that the apps are actually stored in the section like apps. Here you can access all your apps that you have installed on your iPad. Here you can search or you can do a lot of things using these apps. So now I will show you what are the changes that I have encountered after installing iPadOS 18. Now one cool feature is in the Safari. Now you can delete or you can remove the unwanted stuff or ads from your browser. Suppose you want to hide something from this page, like this thing you want to hide, you just click on hide and it will show a very good animation and the ad will disappear. In this way you can make the page clear from ads. So this is a very good features. I think if you want to read something, it will be very distract-less experience for you. So this is a very good feature that has been implemented into Safari. So in order to access or in order to implement this, you have to click on this and then you have to click on hide distracting items, and now you can hide or you can remove the distracting things, and it has a cool animation. So that's a very good feature in Safari. Finally, iPad has calculator app and it has a very good implementation. You can see here basic, scientific, math notes. Okay, you can use various types of calculator. Plus if you want to do any sums or if you want to solve any sums, it can solve your sums. Plus you can convert anything by clicking on convert, like you can convert currencies and many other things you can see here angle, area, currency, data, and many others parameters are there. So you have to just select the unit and then you just have to convert these units. The next big change is in the Note app. Now you can audio recording from the folder. You just have to click on this clip button and now you can record your audio. Okay, and if you want you can save this audio here in this Note app. So click on the red button and it will start automatically, and also you can save like this, and plus you can make notes using this, and you can do a lot of things using these features. Moreover, you can solve your sums here. You just have to type the question and it will automatically give you the answer. Actually, as I am writing vertically, it is taking as addition, so it is giving a results to +3. But if you write like this, it will show you the exact result, that is 6. Again I will show you 3 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to, as you can see here, 16. So you can solve your sums here also. So this tool is very handy for those users who want to use the Note app as a math solver. Plus, if you write anything untidy, you can now polish the language, and also you can straighten the words. You just tap and hold and then you have to select the whole text. Now you can click on option. As you can see here, you can straighten. In this way your writing will be straightened up. Plus there is option of refining the text, so you can get a refined version of your writing like this. So these are some handy features that have been included in the Note app. If you like to customize your home screen and also your notification layout, then you can do this on Ipados 18. As you can see here, the look and feel and also the color has been changed here. Now you can adjust the size of the icon by tapping on the plus button. As you can see here, you can adjust the size, and also you can drag like this. If you drag like this, it will create a bigger size app icon like this. So this is a very good feature and you can customize a lot. Customization has been improved on Ipados 18. This time you can customize a lot of things in the notification panel, and there are actually 3 panels. As you can see here, if you swipe up, you can see that there are 3 panels actually. Here you can get your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, airplane mode, airdrop and many other things. In the middle you will get the music controller. Now one more feature that has been added is that now you can customize the app icon, the size, the color. This is the dark version, automatic. Now this is tinted. Now you can add color, you can adjust color, or you can add color according to your preference. Whatever color you want to get, you can get. Also there are option of making it large. The icon will appear large. In this way it will give a cool look to your tablet. This feature will be very handy if you want to customize the app size and the color of the app. Another change is that now you can use passkey. Passkey is actually an app where you can get all the passwords at a time. So you just have to click on this app and you will get the passwords at your fingertips. So this is also a very good feature. Next important feature is that now you can hide or lock any app. You just have to click on require touch ID. Now you have to give the permission whether you want to lock it or whether you want to hide it. Suppose I am locking it. Now you have to click on the touch ID to access this app. You can also hide the app by click on hide and require touch ID. Okay, and then it will automatically hide the app from the screen. Now you have to click on this hidden icon, only then you can see the app, and you have to open this by clicking on the touch ID. And if you want to remove the permission of hiding, you just have to click in the same way like this. You have to click, and then you have to don't require touch ID. Now you have to click on touch ID, and then you can see that the app has been unlocked. And now if you want to drag the app from the entertainment block, you can do that like this. Suppose I want to take the app into the home screen. Now in this way you can take it to the home screen. This is a very good feature. This was a much needed feature actually. After iPadOS 18, the gallery has also been changed. The look and feel of the gallery is refreshing, as you can see here. You will take some time to get used to this kinds of layout. However, you can customize and reorder or hide the collections to personalize your view like this. This is very cool feature. It will give a new look actually. I am really enjoying the new outlook or the new look of this iPadOS 18 in the gallery section. After new iPadOS 18, actually 5 new wallpapers have been added. Let me give you a glimpse of that wallpapers. As you can see here, these are the regular wallpapers. Now you can see that iPadOS 18 has given you 5 wallpapers, and you can adjust them or you can set them. This is a very refreshing wallpaper, as you can see here. Actually there are 5 wallpapers. Now I will change also the icon size and the clock style, clock color. So in iPadOS 18 a lot of things have been changed, and you are getting a new overhaul everywhere, be it gallery, be it camera, be it home screen or any other area. Even the App Store has a new look. Let me show you. Now you can get the search option on the top of the display, as you can see here. In iOS 17 it was at the bottom, so this is giving a very good look. So these are some changes that I have encountered as of now. I will make another video, and actually I will make many more videos on the iPadOS function and tips and tricks. So if you are interested to watch those videos, please subscribe the channel with notification bell on. Thank you.